Welcome to the IBD CAR App Setup and Onboarding Guide. The IBD CAR App is a secure, web-based platform developed to efficient data entry, video/image upload, and multi-level scoring for clinical studies involving ulcerative colitis, UC, and Crohn's disease, CD. Designed for use across multiple hospitals, the app enables doctors to submit anonymized patient data, upload colonoscopy media, and perform blinded scoring as independent reviewers. With its built-in role-based access system and automatic scoring logic, the IBD CAR app ensures consistency, confidentiality, and ease of collaboration in large-scale, multi-center IBD research trials. This document provides a detailed, step-by-step walkthrough for installing, configuring, and using the IBD CAR application from start to finish. Follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth experience. Prerequisite: DLC Media Player should be installed in your systems. You should have access to the Gmail ID you have given for this study. Each doctor shall maintain its own private data, Google Sheet, not to be shared with any other hospitals. Don't repeat mask IDs in each week. ER diagram. Basic working of the app. App roles. Agent: the user logs in with an ID that acts as an agent for one specific hospital only. They can add data strictly for that hospital, no access elsewhere. Alpha Scorer: the same user is randomly assigned one different hospital as an alpha scorer, where they score data only for that hospital. Beta Scorer: the user is also assigned another different hospital as a beta scorer, again with access only to score that hospital's data. Step 01. Accepting the invitation. Bookmarking and saving. Logging in the app. You will receive an email like this on your accounts. When you will be logged in with this email, you will receive this email interface in your email inbox. This is an invitation for using the app sent by us for the IBD CAR study. This is a dummy email created for the hospital1@gmail.com. Starring the email. Please star the email by clicking the designated button, as this is the sole method to access the FMT application via your browser. After starring, it will look like this highlighted. After starring, it will look like this highlighted email section. And you can access the app from this email. Bookmarking the tab. Click on this star button. Bookmark button varies differently in different browsers. To bookmark this tab in your browser, choose the option of the bookmark bar and click on Done. In your tabs, you will see the bookmark of that particular mail. You will receive an email like this on your accounts. Click on Open in Browser to open the app. Logging in the app using Google account. Select the Google ID which you provided for the study. Here we are continuing with the dummy mail we have created. Step 02. Getting familiar with the app interface. This is the app interface you will see. This ad will be shown only in the section of your hospital name, like here we are logged in using Hospital 1, so it's showing it in the section of Hospital 1. Click on the toggle button on the top left. After the toggle menu opens, you will see your hospital name, in which you will add the test details. Along with that, you will see two random hospitals named as Center Alpha, in which you will see the test samples of those hospitals, and you need to score them accordingly. After the toggle menu opens, you will see your hospital name, in which you will add the test details. Along with that, you will see two random hospitals named as Center Beta, in which you will see the test samples of those hospitals, and you need to score them accordingly. Checklist. Adding data as hospital agent. Scoring the data as an alpha agent. Scoring the data as an beta agent. Step 03. Filling up the data as an hospital agent. Each doctor shall maintain its own private data, not to be shared with any other hospitals. Don't repeat mask IDs in each week. From next slide, we will focus on the form part only. Click on the Add button on the top right corner, and a form will appear for filling up the test details. On clicking the Add button, this form will appear. Start filling up the form. Here we have to write mask ID. Here select the week No. Here select the gender of the patient. From drop-down, select the trial ID, Alter UC, Alter CD, Boost UC, Boost CD. Sample space point time. From the drop-down, select the week number. From the drop-down, select the gender of the patient. From the drop-down, select the trial ID of the patient. Step 03, Continued. Different scoring schemes applied. Based on THC study trial ID UC or CD. Scoring scheme for Alter UC or Boost UC. Trial ID is Alter UC or Boost UC. If trial ID Alter UC or Boost UC is selected, the following columns will appear for agent scoring. Here enter the vascular pattern score. Here enter the bleeding score. Here enter the erosions and ulcer score. Scoring scheme for Alter CD or Boost CD. And if the trial ID Alter CD or Boost CD is selected, then the following 20 attributes will appear to filled up by the agent. Make sure all the attributes are filled according to the scoring scheme is provided. Start filling up the form. Select the submission date in format of DDMMYYYY. Select the submission date in format of hour minute second. Select the procedure date in format of DDMMYYYY. Select the procedure date in format of hour minute second. In the screening number, select the visit no of the patient. Click on camera and select the picture to be uploaded. Click on file and select the video to be uploaded. The score here will be self-calculated according to the score you give in above attributes. Time definitions. Procedure time, time at which the sample was actually collected or procedure was performed. Submission time, time at which the data/sample was entered or submitted into the system by the agent. Click on the icon to make the calendar appear and then select the date of submission. The format is in DDMMYYY. Click on the icon to make the clock timer appear and then select the time of submission. The format is in hour, minute, second. Click on the icon to make the calendar appear and then select the date of collection. The format is in DDMMYYY. Click on the icon to make the clock timer appear and then select the time of collection. The format is in hour, minute, second. Important. Mandatory. Before uploading videos to the app, please compress them as per the required settings. Follow the step-by-step guidelines in the next slides carefully for a smooth upload process. Links for video compressing tutorials. Here you have to give the screen no, i.e. no of time the patient has visited. Here you can upload the image of the endoscopy. Here you can upload the video of the endoscopy. After uploading images and videos. After carefully filling up the above attributes, the agent score will be auto-computed and will look like this to you. Important. Mandatory. The next slide has the final attributes filled in the form, BOFR. Submitting the form, make sure to recheck the data twice. Once submitted, making changes are prohibited. Final forms looks like this. Now click on the Save button on the top right corner of the browser window after filling and checking all the details. After saving the form, click on this button to sync and let the process of syncing be occur. Note: if the sync does not occur, click the button manually. After the sync is completed, you will see the following text. Sync completed on the top right corner of the browser. After saving the form and sync is completed, the record will appear like this on the window. After uploading the video, it will appear like this. Click on this button to check if the video is uploaded properly. On clicking the button in the previous slide, it will open a new window. Let it load completely. After the loading is completed, the video will be ready and you can check that the video is uploaded properly. Let us now proceed to a hands-on, practical demonstration to observe the application in action. Checklist completed for the agent. Email alert. After the data is submitted from the agent's side, both the alpha will receive a mail like this. After the data is submitted from the agent's side, beta center will receive a mail like this. Review section. In this section we will see how to review the samples and give the scores to others. Alpha scorer. The ID through which you are logged in. The app will be acting as an APLA scorer for a different hospital. Alpha scorer. CD. From the toggle switch, select the center Alpha Hospital. Clicking on this button, the video will be loaded in the new browser, which has been uploaded by a different hospital. On clicking the button in the previous slide, it will open a new window. Let it load completely. After the loading is completed, the video will be ready and you can check that the video is uploaded properly. Scorer. Click on the Edit button to give score as A. Alpha scorer here. Give the score by analyzing the image and video. Let us now proceed to a hands-on, practical demonstration to observe the application in action. Clicking the Save button. After sync completes, close the review section. Checklist is completed for the role of an agent and an APLA scorer. Beta scorer. The ID through which you are logged in. The app will be acting as an beta scorer for a different hospital. Beta scorer. CD. From the toggle switch, select the center beta hospital. Clicking on this button, the video will be loaded in the new browser, which has been uploaded by a different hospital. After the loading is completed, the video will be ready and you can check that the video is uploaded properly. Click the Edit button to give the score. After giving the score, the form will look like this. Let us now proceed to a hands-on, practical demonstration to observe the application in action. Beta score UC. Give the score by analyzing the image and video. After giving the score, save, sync and exit. Checklist is completed for the role of an agent and an APLA scorer and beta scorer. Thank you.